This is my 1987 C10, and I'm about to race this truck on a real drag strip. We're gonna see if this Blueprint Engine's 383 stroker can live up to its price point. And with the new posi traction diff and a set of 373 gears, I'm expecting this truck to be way faster than it was before. And tomorrow, I'm gonna load this truck onto a trailer and take it down to the drag strip. I didn't hook up at all. Thank you. I jumped it. I got a 16. That was pretty bad. Yeah, I was spinning the whole way. Yes, sir. Thank you. $15.7. We're getting there. We're getting there. As you guys can see, the truck made it back in one piece. But while making its fastest pass of the night, the engine just shut off. And I think it has something to do with the fuel filter. I'm assuming it just got clogged up from being constantly ran the entire night, especially that particular run was directly after another run. It was basically back to back. This is a 750 carburetor and moves a ton of fuel, so it's completely possible that that fuel filter just got clogged up. But it ran, it drove onto the trailer, so that's a plus. Another downside of drag racing is all the rubber that gets thrown all over everything. So this thing definitely deserves a good bath. So other than the hiccup on the final run, I am very pleased with the performance of this truck. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more truck content in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye.